Hello and welcome back to another video. So today I'm showing you guys how to make this twisted donut. So if this is your first time here, my name is Suraya. Please do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. So don't mind that tripod, just pretend you are not even seeing it and focus on the donut. So I've already shared a donut recipe here on my channel. I will put the link in my description box so you can check it out. Now I'll go ahead and knead the dough very well. Make sure you knead your own dough very well before you dissect it. Now using a cake scraper, I will dissect it into 16 pieces. Now that I am done, I will go ahead and start rolling. We are making two different shapes, so pay attention. So guys, don't add a lot of flour on your working surface. Can you see how I am struggling to roll my own? So a little goes a long way. So guys, that is basically it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I hope you are going to give this a try and let me know in the comment section what you think. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.